Hello my dear friend! In this video you are going to learn how to easily injure your hand with paint and brush. So stay with me until the end of the video. Thank you! You are going to learn a lot of 3D drawing tricks in this channel. I upload educational videos for you every day. If you have seen the video so far, leave a comment with a red heart. I want to see how watch the video, and then please subscribe to see the next videos. My dear friend, I posted an interesting drawing trick video in the end screen, which is waiting for you to go and see it. I will see you in the next video.